Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and we're gonna go to the end fast. Yeah, what's the color? Well, let me just put it. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Well, let me show you. Look at. I literally forgot that there are like and won't get to winch anyone. Oh my god, again? Wait. Is it safe? Oh, yeah, let's go. No, this is the new one. Yeah, this is the new. No! Oh my god. Okay. So this is the new one. So we're gonna launch. Look at it. Oh, look at this. Whoa, what is that? Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, man. Look. What the? Oh, I'm just doing one. Whoa. Wait. So, wait, let me. Oh my god, just flipped. I literally flipped. Oh my god, I literally flipped. I flipped because of that. Oh my god, I've literally flipped so bad. Oh. I can't even. They're literally doing no thing green in my video, but it will end okay. I'm actually here. Oh my god, I was lagging there. Sometimes I lag, and just, yeah, oh my god. Wait, I will be right back. Oh my god, he just ruined it. Oh. Okay, so let's try again. Let's try that again because I don't know how that just that. Sure, yeah. Sure. Okay. I'm literally gonna first check it and then I'll post it. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, okay. Tomorrow, guys. No, oh my god, I don't even know how to do it. I didn't. Okay. Oh my gosh. I know you can. Oh my god, I just need to crack another one. Ooh. Okay. Hey, come look at this. Look, the car. Okay. Come on. No. Wait, put a jetpack. Jetpack. Put a jetpack. Put jetpack on. Hey, look. There's a jetpack. Okay, come over here. Well, let me put you a seat. Oh my god.
Do you speak English?
Oh my god. I'm literally stuck. I'm stuck.
I need the chair. You need the chair.
I'm literally stuck.
Put it somewhere not
Okay.
near you.
We're not there. Well, let me wait. Sit there. Sit there. Sit there. Wait. Let me sit. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Whee.
I have.
Yeah. We will go to the end. We will go to the end. Oh no. Yeah, come with stand. Yeah. Come with stand. Oh my god, I almost got stuck there, guys. Bro, we just flipped again, but I can survive. Bro, we just flipped. Oh my
You're
god.
up and down there.
Oh my god. No,
No, how do you flip over?
no, we just flipped. We just flipped. But I think we can go to the end. Yeah. Bro! Why are you attacking us? Bro, who's that cat attacking? Oh my god, we just unflipped. We're unflipped. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god.
You have to wait. 5,
Oh my god.
8,
Oh my god.
7,
It's just gonna hit the wall.
5,
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
3, 2, 1. Okay, we can go now.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh my god, this. I think this part can destroy the top. No! Oh my god. Like, I'm literally lagging. I'm literally lagging so bad. Dude, this always happens to me. No! The tires! No! Bro, we can go to the end. I always lose the tires like this time. I always. Bro! Where did he jump? Bro, we got this!
You're a boat now.
Oh my god, he's literally making a copyright. Bro. Yeah. Bam! We just flipped. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got no. Oh my gosh. That literally went so fast. That went so fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I even hold it? Oh my god, the camera. Oh my god, my hand hurts. My hand literally hurts. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm sleepy, but it's not even night. Wait, what's the minute? Is it? Well, let me check the clock. 8:03 or 8:1 or 8:2. I don't know. Let me just check. Oh, it's 8:06. So that clock is wrong. Why am I feeling so bad? Oh my god, I think I'm on. Oh my god, just crap. Oh my god. Bro, when I was little, I never. No! What is going on with my avatar? Bro, my avatar looks hilarious. I'm little lagging. I'm not getting. I'm sorry for creating. Bro, why is my flashlight stuck? I know you guys. This is my first time. You guys hear my voice. You know. That I hope we survive. Oh my god! I literally shook it. Oh my god! I think I'm about to. Oh no! I shook this one. Oh no! Oh my gosh! See, we can go to the end with this. Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Bro, I can't even talk that loud. Oh my god, these crocodiles! No, my seat! My seat! My seat! No! My seat! Oh my gosh. I'm literally lagging so bad. Yeah. Why is the tree blocking me? Oh my god. I'm literally lagging. I'm lagging up. Bro, I'm lagging up. Bro, my other P. And this is where so many people dies. Well, how many crocodiles got here? Bro, this might be a glitch. Wait, why is my friend literally right there? Oh my god, literally. No, Yes, let's go. And the car could go like there. Oh my god. There. Yeah, and go to the end, right there. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my gosh. Wait, where am I? Oh my god, they're literally making noise. Oh my god, they're making noise. Oh my gosh, how did that? Okay, from the avatar looks hilarious with this. The avatar looks hilarious with this. Okay, this is how you make a little avatar. Look, this is how you make a little avatar. If you don't have Robux, you're broke. Wait, how much do they cost? Why is it doing a whirly? Oh no. We're in a problem. Oh my gosh. Go up. Up. Oh my gosh. No! Man, I just lost. No. Oh my gosh. So we need to... What is that? 100 gold. No. Oh my god. Bro, this is where I always die. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. So, you know, to go to the end. So it didn't work. Look at, I don't even have these three, but I also have these. Oh my! Sure.
But don't touch the red lever.
Wait, where do you open it? Okay.
Don't launch. Do not launch.
Okay.
Or don't touch the red lever.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Don't touch it.
Bro,
Dangerous.
how can you do this?
Panic button.
Bro, why is it invisible? Oh, invisible piece.
Yeah,
That would be so
shit.
Bro,
But it's
I
gonna
don't
do
even
so
know how
bad.
to do it yet. Eject. Wait. No one. Wait. I will be right back. I think I might have. Wait, let me see. No! Bro, how am I able to launch? Wait. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Why is he going so fast? Bro, he just got. Was he going on the airplane? On the other one? On the cheap one? On the cancer one? Wait, what does happen? Oh no, where's the driver? Where is he? Where the heck is he? Why am I going back? Why am I going back? Oh my god, I need to go to the dive seat. I need to go to the dive seat. Oh my god. Oh, I really know how to drive this. No. I'm resetting. I'm literally resetting. Okay. Oh my god. That's gonna be. If we go to the end of this video ends, okay. It's gonna be so hard. Wait, I will be right back. Oh my god, he didn't understand what I'm saying. Whoa, look at this. Look at what he did. That looks cool. Well, not cool. Bro, where's my head? Oh my god. So, okay, this video ends. Wait, 1 like and okay. Should I make part 2? No, just do a full video because I don't even know how to do. No, my gosh. No, she left me. I need to die. Bro, I can't. I'll leave this video and oh my god, the phone is. Well, so I'll make part 2. Part 2 coming tomorrow.